So this is Winter Park from the front. It's not very impressive at all. It's actually kind of weird. What the heck is this? Hippie van. Oh, so we're getting ready to go to Frisbee. And it's been quite a expedition trying to find a ride. Because some people had meetings and tests, right? So now we're going to Frisbee.
Let's go.
It's going to be a successful day. She's coming.
Unlock the door.
Run. Oh, we need to run.
Faster.
These are the... Oh, look at this one. This one's cool.
You know May Ray, right?
Yeah, I know May Ray.
No, you don't.
I met her last time.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No.
Yes, I did.
No.
You can't tell me I don't know.
Bonnie Hop, no, don't. Are you? No, don't.
I'm not recording.
You're lying.
I know. So Frisbee ended early, and Bailey saved me.
Sassy watches you.
Does she really?
Yes.
No, she doesn't.
Hi, Sassy.
She doesn't watch.
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't.
Watch, she's gonna.
She doesn't watch.
Yes, she does.
She
yes,
does.
she does.
Look at those tool bags. Look at this.
Curb,
Look at this guy.
Yeah, the corner.
J-hop the curb, bro. J-hop the curb.
I got it.
Dude, middle school punks. I remember those. Looks